want to view people. Because I mean, come on, you guys think of the same thing.
This guy wouldn't be bigoted to just anybody, right?
Right? Just say, it's not bigoted. It's not. This is not bigoted. If you turn it bigoted, then you're bigoted. It wasn't bigoted at all. So I wasn't talking about race. Well, I guess bigoted doesn't have to be with race. I guess it's just okay. Stupid. Okay, yeah, sure. I'm bigoted against idiots.
Wow.
It must be a lot of Google going on.
I see. Like I'm just looking there. Naps. You've got you've got that wrong, right? Although Conspiracy Cats is doing the same. That's for charity. I mean, if I'm helping the guy sell the pictures for the charity and he's doing well for the cancer charity, then I mean I'll take it. But I mean that isn't my picture. That's a guy called Astro Cookbook.
Again, we know that that's not your picture and you didn't take it. I know that. How many times do I have to say that?
So what's the thanks Bev for then? What's
calling it fake? So
what's the point in the thanks Bev? Naps.
You said the. Are you listening? Are you listening? You said the photo in itself, the original one, is fake.
That photo that you've put thanks Bev on, that
the original photo, Bev. Are you fucking kidding me? The original photo.
That is the original photo. Naps.
Bev on it?
It's not mine.
Not that one. I'm talking about the original one.
That's not
without the words on it and stuff.
Yeah, the one without the words on it that looks like that is the original, and it is not mine. Somebody has put thanks Bev on the original photo that is not mine, that is up for sale in a gallery for charity. That's not my picture.
Slow? Like, are you slow or are you doing this on purpose?
I thought your son took that picture.
No, that is Kevin Jackson's picture that Ranty found on Facebook, not my son's picture. That is the picture that Ranty stared at for 200 hours that he then gave to Cats. Cats then made a video about it because that is the picture that Ranty couldn't understand. Then we went and took a picture.
He understood it. He's just like, man, I've done so many videos like this or so many pictures of this. I can't believe I'm choosing this one to decide to change on, but whatever.
No, he didn't. He found it on Facebook. He hasn't even been there to take a picture himself.
Cheers.
Hey, Nappy, it's been a while. I remember the first night I was driving to Ocala, like a long distance. I heard you for the first time. You're part of the group now.
Who cares? Anyway, you put thanks Bev on a picture that's not his picture.
That's not the point. Oh my god.
Yes, it is. It's like, why did you put thanks Bev on it?
No, Bev. No. I know it's not your fucking photo.
Right, well, why did you put thanks Bev on it?
I know that. Are you retarded? Like, are you really retarded right now?
Why did you put thanks Bev on it?
I was talking about the original photo. I didn't have the original one.
That is the original.
That is the original.
The one without the words, Bev. The one without the words. The one on the website.
Yeah, that's that picture. With the words on it.
Yes, and you said it's fucking fake.
Well, why are the words on it? What's that got to do with it? Why are you thanking me for some other guy's picture?
Stop. You look dumb right now.
Why?
You look dumb.
Why? Why is the thanks Bev on that picture? Why have you posted it, Snaps?
Not dumber than begging the question was made up. Nobody's dumber than that.
Oh my god, Paige, shut the fuck up with your mud fossil believing ass.
Would you
That
ever
was so
put
funny,
somebody's
Anthony. I'm
name
gonna
on a
give
You're
you
like
picture that
the
somebody else
dumbest
Christmas
took?
fucking
present for
person
that.
here.
He
You're the
fucking
dumbest person
tore
here.
you apart. It
Out
was
of
hilarious. You
everyone,
got
you're
begging
the
the
most
questions
gullible,
made up.
stupidest fucking
Oh,
person on here. You're a
right, and
joke.
you've just demonstrated that to a live
Out of
audience in front of
everyone, you're
hundreds
the
of
joke.
people.
You're the joke
You
page.
poor thing.
You're the joke.
Can we get to the reason why it's got thanks Bev on it?
I don't care about that part. I care about you calling it fake.
Did I call it fake? It's definitely a picture, isn't it? It's just been airbrushed. It's been touched
now
up.
it's a picture, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Why,
Okay.
what do you think? So
Oh my God, this chick is delusional.
why's thanks Bev on it?
Now it's real.
No, it's been touched up. Have you ever seen Blackpool? Have you ever been there to see what Blackpool looks like at sunset?
Have I what?
Have you ever been there to see Blackpool and what Blackpool looks like just before sunset? No.
No.
It doesn't look like that.
Why?
Why? Because the sun is coming all across that front. Look at how much sun there is on the mountains in the background.
Oh,
The sun's coming over the front of everything at one part of the day.
it looks just like their photo.
That's a early morning Blackpool.
Same.
And the mountains are before sunset. Late evening. As you can tell by the shadows. And where the sun sets. If you've ever been there, you'd see that. That's the front of Lytham St Anne's and Blackpool. And all of them houses have little sparkles coming from the windows. And it's all lit up. It's lovely. Looks nice.
Sure, I bet. Looks nice.
Yeah. It's almost like it could be a composite, couldn't it?
No.
Has anyone put it through photo forensics or anything?
It looks exactly like
Right, I
photos
know.
you've
We know
taken.
Ranty stared at it for 200 hours, and we know Katz has made a video
They
about
look
it, and then Ranty and Ruhif and Katz have all got together and made a big hoo-ha about it. And we know that people are saying
your picture,
thanks
this
Bev
picture
for
looks
it.
It looks the same though.
It doesn't look the same. Well, that one's up in a gallery.
The only difference
There's people making
is,
money from that one.
the only difference is theirs is taken by like a professional camera. Yours look like it was done by like a cell phone.
It's my lad with a P1000. Yeah.
Was it taken that way?
Pardon?
Oh,
We've took loads of
well,
pictures
they
from
both
there.
look exactly.
We took
Pretty
loads
sure
of
the
pictures.
camera the guy used wasn't much. I think it was the same price range as the P1000.
Could be,
Could be. So you've looked into that, have you?
but they look the same.
Could be. She doesn't know a fucking
Like
thing.
your photo and that one looks the same.
My lad's photo and that one. Have you seen it? Where is my lad's photo? To compare them, the two.
The Library of Congress.
I have this one. The chicken nugget one
All right.
looks the same, just a little like foggy. So like the
Don't see the
different,
mountains.
Wow.
right? Because it looks foggy or whatever.
Yeah.
But same thing.
But not like a composite, as though the mountains look like they're lit differently than the Blackpool.
Like a photo taken from a camera. Yeah.
Yeah. Angular nug size we were checking there, right?
Where are you guys at? What room? General? No.
Yeah, it's in general. It's nice to know that you're saving all of these photos of us, Snaps. How many have you got? You got a few
Just
gifs
those.
and the photos. That's nice.
Those two.
So what's that to say then? What do you think that photo there proves?
They both look the same. So
well, you see, I'd say that photo there proves that wasn't the position that the guy was taking the photo from. Although it is on the Velvet Trail, that one would be one of the ones where we were trying to find out where exactly he was.
Where's that at? Is that what? That's the same area, just it's cloudy that day or foggy. Is that what it is?
It's misty.
What's the difference between mist and fog?
Well,
that starts with an M, one starts with an F.
That's caused
Mist
by
heat.
There actually is a difference.
Mist is more watery. Fog is more like a vapor with less moisture.
God, I just found a bag of dildos. Shit.
Where is Bev's lad's original picture? Why is it the Nug picture?
Metaphor too.
Yeah, I don't have that one.
Oh.
Odd.
That's really weird, that, isn't it?
Post it.
I haven't got it. I only posted it one day because I showed Ranty that that's not how Blackpool looks at that time of night. That's what I took a picture of.
You don't have your own photos of what you took?
Well, it's not important. Right, it was to show that the lighting across Blackpool and Lytham St Anne's was not as shown at that time of night.
Post your photo.
We need a drone. We need a drone to rise above the Blackpool Tower.
We've already done that, Lemon. But
I saw something that what's his name? Mr. Brian Mabbet did, but I didn't see any sort of landmarks in that photo. You say there's a drone that
have you seen how far away it is? Seen how far away it is? It's miles away. You're never going to see anything from that position. If you want a drone to go up over Blackpool Tower, get Ranty with his drone. He should be able to do it. That easy. He lives right close to Blackpool Tower. Get him to get his drone out.
As Ranty was trying to say, Blackpool Tower is above the mountain in the background, but if you get a drone above Blackpool Tower, that relationship would probably reverse.
Yeah, maybe it's already been done. Maybe you can do it from a different position. Maybe Ranty knows all of this sort of stuff, and that's why he's not talking to anybody about any of it. Maybe that's why Katz is also keeping him safe, keeping Ranty out of the way.
I think he's just tired. He strikes me as a normie who just doesn't want the hassle of the truth and the ostracization that the truth can bring. He always struck me as a normie that really wasn't in it for any of this other extra stuff.
Who's a normie?
Ranty.
Now you're saying that he doesn't believe what you believe. That's kind of...
No, I always thought him was like a troll. I still think he is. I think he's just going to keep out the way because he
I
can't.
think you guys were saying...
He can't argue this case that he's brought across with a picture from Facebook. He doesn't know what he's unleashed.
Well, Naps, I do
Being
agree with
honest.
you somewhat.
I think he does know
what Naps, dear. But the thing is, even during those interviews, it was like he was just going along for it. He really wasn't an active participant. He didn't really seem very enthusiastic. It was just kind of like he was kind of off to the side. It didn't really feel like he was really in it to win it. But I don't know.
It's because he doesn't know how to defend the argument he's brought.
He was definitely hardcore. Like,
really? He was like way into it. It looked like when he was beating the shit out of
was.
Brian's logic, he was killing Brian's logic.
he definitely
He was into that shit. He destroyed Brian's logic too. Brian, he's dumb. Why are there so many dumb people on your guys' side?
What side's that?
There's a lot of smart people too, but they're smart enough to know that they're
Is there?
going to be getting hell.
Seems like
For
TV
going
Okay.
against
All the smart people All the smart people seem to be the people that are conning dumb people.
Who's
Nathan Williams.
Who's you people?
Not like all of the flat
You're
earthers.
smart, man.
They're smart people.
Why are you
Might
doing
have
this?
a bigot in
Why are you
here.
doing this? You're smart.
I don't know. I've never said you people to anybody.
I say you people all the time because you people.
I'm racist.
There might be people in here who would take offense to you saying you people.
That's fine. Yeah, dumb. If you're dumb, I need it to be dumb people. You people isn't dumb.
So you could say you people to anybody and nobody would take offense to that?
If we're talking in the context of intelligence, then yes. But if I was sitting here talking in the topic of color or something, then yes, that would be offensive. And I probably wouldn't have said it. But I'm in here to talk shit to dumb people, so it's fine.
You're not
I'm dumb too.
an intelligence bigot, are you?
Wow.
I'm totally an intelligence bigot.
Right.
I'm stupid too,
You
though.
could just say you people, and then somebody would know what you people you were talking to.
If I'm in a room and we're talking about intelligence, and I specify as intelligence, and then go from there, then yes. If you think I'm talking about color, then you are one of the people that I'm talking about that is stupid.
Right. So can I just identify as not one of you people? Right.
Yes, you
that's
can be
as
a bot.
easy
You
as
can be
it
a-
is, right. Okay.
Sure, you'd be a.
So anybody
call
that
it, like-
doesn't
like
want to
Noel or
listen
like
to this
something.
guy when he says you people, just don't be one of you people. That's easy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just don't
that's
be
one of us
don't be
people.
one of you people.
One of you people. Because I mean, come on, you guys think of the same thing.
This guy
You just don't say
wouldn't
you
be
people.
bigoted
You
to
say
just
clothes.
anybody, right?
You
Right.
just
So,
say it's not bigoted. It's not. This is not bigoted. If you turn it bigoted, then you're bigoted. It wasn't bigoted at all. So I wasn't talking about race. Well, I guess bigoted doesn't have to be with race. I guess it's just okay. Stupid. Okay, yeah, sure. I'm bigoted against idiots.